got them viral leggings y'all was talking about. And this is how they look. I got a small. I'm 120 pounds and I'm 5'1". And this is what they were working with. You see it. Ass kill, still can jump. They come to like right here. Shaking them. You know. I never had something control me. I feel something bad. Happy Vlogmas. We officially got snow. Waiting for the bus. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's snowing, you guys. We just might have a white boy winter after all. I'm just playing, but it just might be a white Christmas. Usually we don't have a white Christmas in Buffalo unless it's a storm. And they say we're supposed to get another storm, but if we do, I don't mind. I love being at home in my bed. I don't know about y'all. I'm gonna get paid regardless. So, I hope everybody Wednesday is going good. Happy wind down Wednesday. I love y'all. The reading vlog will be up soon. Why didn't nobody tell me that it's a lot of editing to videos? Give me some tips. If you are a booktuber and you watch me, give me some tips, please. Truck is here. Time for coffee. Time for coffee. It's cold out there. Okay. Got my coffee. Got me something to snack on. Just something to snack on. Got my coffee. Whew. I'm ready to get this day over with. There go the meat market. It's right across the street from my job. Just the crazy part. Then I'm gonna catch a lift home. Damn, it seems like it's packed. And it's cold. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go tonight. Posing, hope she's there to right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Don't be in the home, but God, tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go tonight. Posing, hope she's there to right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. So make sure y'all get y'all drinks. Anything you need to get. I hope y'all can see me. But first, let me show y'all my goodies, my fall goodies. I've been obsessed with the color, with lip products. Like chapsticks, lip glosses. And I got the Dior, the trending Dior chocolate lip gloss. I don't know why my nails so stuff. Can y'all see that? There we go. Like, I love it. This is beautiful.
And I sure did Afterpay it, because we what? Baddies on a budget over here. And then I also got the Viral Summer Fridays chapstick, and I've been using this like crazy. I will be ordering more. I'm about to put some on right now. Come on, focus. There we go. Summer Fridays. And I just want to apologize to my subscribers, because I know I've been taking a long ass time editing this damn book vlog, but a lot was going on, and I'm not one to put my personal business on the internet. So let's just say we had to get some family things situated, and they are situated. And don't worry, because in 2024 we coming hard. Consistency is gonna be key. I'm trying to tell y'all. I will be, me and my cousin moving back to Buffalo, so we will be making 2024 vision boards. So I will be vlogging that. I already got all the pictures that I want to use off of Pinterest, which is surprising because I'm not really a Pinterest person, but got all my pictures off of Pinterest. And then next I got the Revolution Makeup London. I think this is, yeah, this is lipstick. It's like a brown chocolate lipstick. I'm gonna put none on because I just rolled up, so, and it's gonna get on my blunt. But yes, this is it. Can't wait to try that. And then I also got the Juvia's Place lip gloss. What kind did I get? This is the blueberries one. Here go the box. So Juvia's Place, I had this for a while, I just didn't show y'all. Hydrating and Nourishing Magic Lip Oil. I love lip oils. I can honestly say I like the lip oils better than lip glosses. And lip balms. And then my new obsession is Glacia. I got their Viral Cookie Butter Bomb.com and their hot cocoa chapstick. And baby, I can't wait to bust these things open and use these things. I'm trying to think, this might be the last lip balm, like out of my lip balms. I'm gonna wait until I'm done with my Summer Fridays ones before I get to cracking these open, because I do have a habit of switching up my lip balms without even finishing the bottle, and then I'll be forgetting about it. And then I just ordered these Glacier's, what is this? Sheer Matte Lipsticks. This one is, which one is this? Come on now. Ooh. So this is what it looked like. And then this is in the shade Leo. Oh, I like that. Can y'all see that? Y'all see that G? I like that. Oh, okay. Okay. I ain't gonna try none because I don't want to mess up the G. I ain't gonna do it. And this is the color Leo. If y'all hear the puppies in the background, don't mind them. And then I got it in the color Fuzz. Oh, this might be like my everyday go-to color. I like that. Should I just swatch it? No, I don't want to mess up the G's. Like, shout out to the girls that can just swoop, 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 and then show y'all. I can't do that. I can't do that. If I'm gonna mess up the G, it's gonna be because it was on my lip. I can't do that. I can't do that. It's not in me. It's not in me. And last but not least, Moat. Oh, I don't know. This might be my go-to color because this is like right up my lip color alley. Like, I don't know. Like, I feel like that'll make my face pop. Yes. Like, this one I do. Whoa. I like that. That's cute. And my G not messed up. Sweet. But I like that. Yep. This one. Moat. Moat will be the one. Let me put some more chapstick on. That was the last one. Now let's get into these books. Get your drink, your blunt. Everything, Hottie. Everything. Everything. I'm about to turn my ring light on and see if that makes a difference. Let's see. Break it down, son. Okay. Let's see. There we go. There we go. Like I said, get your drinks. 21 and older, please. Cheers. Cheers to the Sunday reset. Cheers to the new year. Listen, when I say I got goals set for next year, and I definitely plan on making 2024 my year. No matter if it's a new job, same job. All I know is I don't want to be stuck in the same place. Put your lighters up. 21 and older, please. I still gotta do my skincare, get in the shower. I just wanted to get this vlog out of the way because I had y'all waiting for so long. I did write down the physical books that I read, because there was only 2 physical books that I read for the fall season, and those 2 books was, yep, I got a book journal. Those 2 books was 1,000 Boy Kisses by Tilly Cole and Hooked by Emily McIntyre. I just gotta finish writing it down. So I'm gonna start with 1,000 Boy Kisses. I'm gonna start with the physical books. So 1,000 Boy Kisses. This book right here had me crying from beginning to end. 5 stars. I did not know that it was a series. So I do have to get the second book. And listen, if you're gonna read this, make sure you read the trigger warnings. Make sure you are prepared. Make sure you got tissues. Shit, make sure you got enough tears to cry, because that's how serious this book was. I give this book 5 stars. Yeah, the nicknames, all that. Poppy Man, yeah, that's my girl. Listen, that's a strong girl right there, and I'm being dead serious. it was beautiful. Like, I really, 337 pages. I went back and forth between the physical book and the audiobook. I did find a free audiobook on YouTube, so make sure you look on YouTube. YouTube could be your best friend. It definitely gave me a different outlook on life, as to live while you can and don't take things so serious that don't need to be that serious. If it's not that serious, it's not that serious. Don't give it, everything don't need a reaction, basically. And live life while you can. Okay, second physical book is Hooked by Emily McIntyre. It's supposed to be, well, she clearly says it's not supposed to be based off of Harry Potter. To me it was. She had a whole playlist, and the opening says, for anyone who has been the villain in someone else's story, listen. Because I tell people all the time, I am the villain. And I'm not saying it like in a bad way. I'm saying it in like a confident way. I don't take no shit. And then it says, you can have anything in life if you will sacrifice everything else for it. J.M. Barrie, Peter Pan. I don't know if I said that last name right. And then it says, author's note, Hooked is dark contemporary romance. It is an adult fractured fairy tale. It is not fantasy or a retelling. That's what I was trying to say. But to me, baby, this was Hooked on steroids. Like, you would have never thought that Hook was sexy. That's all I'm gonna say. And baby, she portrayed that. That's all I'm gonna say, because I don't know if it's people that have not read this, and I don't want to give out any spoilers, but all I'm gonna say is 5-star, and Spice is fucking 5-star. Yes. It says the main character is a villain. If you're looking for a safe read with redemption and a bad guy turned into a hero, you will not find it in these pages. Let me read that again. The main character is a villain. If you're looking for a safe read with redemption and a bad guy turned into a hero, you will not find that in these pages, boo-boo. So just stop right there and go ahead, take it back to the bookstore and get you another book. Hooked contains sexually explicit scenes as well as mature and graphic content that is not suitable for all audiences. Reader discretion is advised. I much prefer you to go in blind, but if you would like a list of detailed triggers, you can find them on EmilyMcIntyre.com. Make sure you guys read your trigger warnings. Like I said, 5 stars, Spice, 5 chili peppers. I don't want to get anywhere into the you see it's annotated, okay? Listen, I don't play no games. Now, the rest of the books I read for fall was on my Kindle. And how many books did I read in fall? My goal for 2023 was to read 200 books, but on Goodreads I had set it for 150. And y'all, I ain't even make it to 150. Yeah, it was a lot going on. But you know what? 2024, we're going to reset. So it don't matter. I'm going to do 200, and if I surpass 200, then I'll add more on, obviously. But let's see the books I've read on my Kindle. Let's go to Goodreads. Let me open up this package for y'all. Got a book of the month package. I did put it on hold for a while, but I'm gonna pick it back up. And yes, I am using one of my hair clips to open up the package. Let's see. Look at this. Okay, so the book I have chose for, I think this was November. Yeah, I think this was November book of the month. And I got This Spells Love by Kate Robb. So cute. A young woman tries to heal her heartbreak by casting a spell to erase her ex from her past, but wakes up in an alternate reality in which she lost more than she wished for in this witty, whimsical Friends to Lovers debut. So it is a Friends to Lovers book, and I cannot wait to read this book. I don't know. I'm trying to think, should I add that in my December TBR just because of, I don't know, it looked like, I feel like December is like, you read like love story type books, like romance books. Whimsical, and y'all get what I'm trying to say. Yeah, that is cute. I gotta take a picture of that. So cute. Is there anybody else? But I like to take my pictures for my thumbnails on Instagram. Yes, that was cute. Oh, back to Goodreads, girl. What is you doing? Okay. So, my books. Okay, so I read 129 books out of 150, so I am 12 books behind schedule. So y'all don't think I'm lying. You can also go to my link tree on my YouTube page and click on my Goodreads and see everything else. But the books that I read so far is His Other Woman. It's a series, 3-book series by Tasha Friesen. It was good. I think I gave it 5 stars. The Other Woman. Yeah, I gave it 5 stars. I'm gonna try to read through it fast because it is a lot. I think I read, yeah, I read a lot of books for my fall TBR because I was trying to catch up to my reading goal. Okay, next I read Reminders of Him by Colleen Hoover. I give it 4 stars. Not gonna get into details. Yeah. Hook, told y'all about that one. I read the Billionaire Stepbrothers, the Young Billionaire series, the first book, and I gave it 5 stars. I also read Real Wifeys on the Grind by Misha Mink. I gave it 4 stars. I like them hood books, urban fiction. Like I said, if you want to see more in-depth reading reviews, follow me on Instagram at Stony.smalls. I don't write reviews on Goodreads because I can't really say what I want to say. So next, I read Ma'am by Jessica George, and I gave it 4 stars. I read My Husband's Sneaky Link, and that shit was crazy. And when I mean crazy, I mean panties wet crazy. Listen, when I read my books, especially books with spice in them, if it ain't turning me on, then the book is not doing its job. I'm sorry. Next, I read My Husband Dirty Little Secret by Candy Marie. And listen, like I said, shower, waterfalls. And then I read Sins of the Side Chick. That was also a series. I believe it was a 3-book series, and that shit was crazy as hell. Y'all gotta get on Kindle Unlimited and get, listen, y'all not looking in the right places. Woo. Bless me. Thank you. Next, I read oh, thank you. Disappearing Acts by Terry McMillan. I read the book. I watched the movie, but I never had read the book, and I had bought the book and I read it, and I honestly could say I like the book better than the movie. But the movie was good as hell, like good as hell, like Batman. I said Batman. God damn, what am I talking about? Blade can get it. Blade can get it. That's all I'm gonna say. Blade can get it. Blade can get it. I'm a grown ass woman. Blade can get it. Next, I read for fall Everybody Ain't Your Friend. That was good. If you haven't read this, you need to read it now. And you really will be looking at your friends differently. I'm trying to tell you. Now, this book right here, Closet Freak, baby, read it. That's all I'm gonna say. Read it, because I can't say what I want to say, because you read it. YouTube be doing too much. Read it. Read it. Read it. Read it. And last but not least, The Coldest Hoe Ever. This series was crazy. This series right here, listen, read it. The Coldest Hoe Ever by Cornelia Smith. Read it. 5 stars, hands down. Listen, I ain't never steered y'all wrong, so don't get shit twisted now. I'm being aggressive for a reason. Read it. And then after you read it, DM me on Instagram and give me your review, so I can see if we was thinking the same thing. Now, my December TBR. Now, I already know I'm not gonna make it to 150 by the end of this month. I could, but I'm not about to do that to myself. I'm not about to stress myself out like that. So I picked 3 books. I'm currently reading 1. So I'm only gonna do 3 books this month. I'm only gonna do 3. And the book that I'm currently reading is How Does It Feel by Janine O'Reilly. This is the book I'm currently reading. And then I'm gonna read Who Put This Song On by Morgan Parker. I probably could start reading all 3 of them at the same time. And last but not least, I'm going to read When I'm Dead by Hannah Morisi. Yeah, so these are my 3 books for December. Then, like I said, 2004, we're gonna start off bigger and stronger. Just read at your own pace. This is not a competition. When it comes to Book Talk and Bookstagram and BookTube, I'm not in competition with everybody else. I go at my own pace. I do what I want to do, how I do it. If the people fuck with me, they gonna subscribe. So I don't have to be like everybody else with the aesthetics and the. I'm not about to go broke buying books to show y'all. Is you tripping? I got bills, and I already got a shopping addiction. I ain't gotta lie about that. I already got a shopping addiction. That's why I be afterpaying everything. But like I said, I buy books here and there. Listen, don't get me wrong, I got a free check, I'm gonna give me more books. But I'm also not about to be one of them people piling up books and I ain't got no bookshelves to put the books on and they collecting dust sitting on the damn floor. I got dogs. Not happening. I cherish my books. So next year I'm going to get bookshelves. Like I'm gonna get my house ready. I'm gonna organize. But I'm gonna go at my pace. If everybody else can do it, that's fine. They damn near have help, and most of the people on BookTube live with their parents or sister or has a roommate. I ain't got that. We don't have that. So we got real grown-up bills over here. So yes, like I said, next year. But kudos to them though. Shit, I'm trying to get like y'all. Ain't no hate. I'm trying to get like them. Shit. I want to have piles and piles of books sitting in the back of me. I want me a reading chair. I want me a sign up there that says Stony.smalls. Reading corner. Come on now. I want me a reading corner. I'm gonna get me one though. I got responsibilities. I got kids. Well, I got a kid. And then I got dogs. They count as kids. And my husband count as a kid too. I don't care what nobody say. But I love y'all. Like I said, take your time. It's not a competition. If you feel like the vlog ain't right, don't post it. That's what I do. I didn't record this. This is my 5th time recording this. That's why it's really taking me so long. But yes, I'm going to close out this vlog. Make me something to eat. Hop in the shower. Do my skincare routine. That would be a whole different video. I want to get this video edited and put up for y'all by today. Make sure y'all get in y'all Black Friday deals and get y'all presents ready. Get ready for Christmas. I love me some Christmas. And I love y'all. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time your girl posts. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Stay elevated, stay high, stay vibrating. Listen, I'll take a shot to that. I love y'all.